the sum of all the integers in this table, clearly there's a trick to it. You could actually add all of them up, and if you were going to do that, you'd probably want to start canceling things out because there's positive and negative numbers. So if you found, this positive 20 here, you'd want to cancel out the negative 20, so it ends up being the same. The one thing to note is that every one of the rows after the first one is some multiple of that first row. So, row 1 is whatever row 1 is. Row 2, I should label them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Row 2 is just negative 3 times row 1. Row 3 is 4 times row 1. Row 4 is negative 5 times row 1. Row 5 is 8 times row 1. And row 6 is negative 10 times that first row. So if we can figure out what the sum of the numbers is in the first row, then it would just be multiplied times all of these, and we could add those numbers together. So this is 1 times 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. You add all those numbers together, it equals 21. So this row 1 is 21. Row 2 is negative 3 times 21. So basically it's 21s all down the road, multiplied times that factor for each of the rows. So then the sum of all of the integers is going to be 21, or 1 times 21 plus negative 3 times 21 plus 4 times 21 plus negative 5 times 21 plus 8 times 21. Maybe you see where this is going. Plus negative 10 times 21. The thing all of these numbers have in common is that they're all 21 times something, so we can actually factor out that 21 and do the math on the rest of the stuff, which is going to make it a lot easier. So this is 21 times 1 minus 3 plus 4 minus 5 plus 8 minus 10. Which is a mouthful, but not nearly as much of a mouthful as adding up all of those things individually. So this is 21 times minus 5, which equals negative 105. Answer choice B.